Installing software on Linux is fundamentally different from Windows or Mac OS, but once you understand the system, it's often more powerful and secure. Here's a complete guide to the various methods. First, let's talk about the foundation: package managers and repositories. Linux uses a package management system where software comes in packages. These contain the application plus information about other software it needs to run, called dependencies. The package manager is the tool that handles installing, updating, and removing these packages. It gets its software from a repository, which is a centralized online server maintained by your distributions team. This ensures the software is stable, compatible, and safe. This is the recommended method for almost all your software needs. The first and most powerful method is using your distribution's package manager in the terminal. For Debian-based systems like Ubuntu or Linux Mint, you use apt. Always start with sudo apt update to refresh your package list. To install something like VLC, you'd type sudo apt install VLC. You can search for packages with apt search and remove them with sudo apt remove or sudo apt purge to also delete configuration files. To upgrade all your software, use sudo apt upgrade. For Fedora or CentOS, you'll use the commands are very similar: sudo gaf update, sudo dnf, install VLC, dnf search, and sudo dnf remove VLC. If you're not Linux or Manjaro, your package manager is to update your system and install a package. You'd use sudo pacman sui, followed by sudo pack. Searching is pacman ssvlc, and removing is sudo pacman rvlc for open SEOC users. The tool is zipper. The commands follow the same pattern: sudo zipper refresh, sudo zipper install VLC, and so on. The second method, which is much easier for beginners, is using your distro's graphical app store or software center. This is just like installing apps on your phone. On Ubuntu and Fedora, this is typically called software or GNOME software. You just open the app, search for the software you want, and click the install button. It's simple, user-friendly, and handles all the back-end commands for you.